Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of SpaceTalk, and today we'll be talking about Venus, one of the four terrestrial planets, the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So Venus is the hottest planet. Even though that Mercury is closer, it's still the hottest planet, and we'll get to that in a minute. Now let's talk about the day, about how long it takes to rotate and revolve around the sun. Now, a day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, and for an orbital, a period, that's the term for it, going around the sun, 225 days. The surface temperature is 773 Kelvin, 464 Celsius, and 876 Fahrenheit. If you want, I got the conversion right there. All right, now the surface pressure. If you were to go there, it's 93 bar, which means it's 92 times more dense than our sea level. The reason for this is its atmosphere. It has the densest atmosphere out there. It is so dense that that's how it traps heat. That's why it's so hot, because it traps all of this heat, and it has its own little weird cycle. It rains sulfuric acid because its atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, and there's all these other different traces of different things like monoxide, all this stuff, sulfur. And it rains sulfuric acid, and it traps the heat when it comes to it. So it's so hot there. It's its own personal, I don't know. It's horrible there. It's like a volcano, but worse because it's actually a planet. So it's crazy. Now, like I said before, even though you make more sense that Mercury would be hotter. But Mercury doesn't have no atmosphere, so all of its stuff just gets, the solar winds go through it. Yeah, it gets hot, but Venus will be hotter because I got a red ball now. Say the sunlight travels, and then it grabs all the heat and traps it inside, and it's just it's a heat ball pretty much. It's filled with heat, storms, and all this stuff. And if you go there, the chances of survival is really low. So yeah, there was a thing where water may have existed, but that stuff is long gone due to runaway. It's called the runaway greenhouse effect, and that's not good. It means all the stuff the atmosphere just kind of got corrupted with all this stuff, and now it's uninhabitable. You cannot go there. You go there, you're gonna die. And if you try to colonize it, it'll take decades, or might even not even work. So yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. And thanks for tuning in with me with SpaceTalk. Next will be our home planet. We'll be talking about home planet Earth. And yeah. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, give it a thumbs up. If there's any questions you have, let me know, and I will see you guys next time. And I'll see you there. Also, if I missed anything or you want to add something, go ahead. So see you guys. Peace.